Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. The FEB MAT 2024 application begins now, and in this video we are going to look complete details about the FEB MAT 2024 including its application procedure, exam fee, exam pattern and the best online coaching provided by Learn to Lead Academy. And now, the first thing we are going to see the general instructions. So you have to visit mat.aima.in to register for the FEB MAT 2024. So in that website, you will see the registration or login tab. Entries in the registration form shall be required to be filled only in English. And there are some abbreviations which you should know. MAT, M-A-T means Management Aptitude Test. MI is nothing but the Management Institute. Remote Proctored Internet-based test IBT. PBT is nothing but paper-based test, and CBT computer-based test. IBT you can take the test from your place, but for PBT and CBT the exam center will be allocated. See, what are the essential documents to be made ready before filling up your MAT registration form? Valid email ID, you should have it, and then image of scanned photograph in JPG or JPEG format. File size should not be less than 10 KB and more than 50 KB. You should also have scanned signature in JPG and JPEG format. And for scanned signature, the size should not be less than 5 KB and more than 20 KB. And you can have debit card, credit card or net banking or Paytm wallet details for your payment of the application fee. And you should enter the personal details and educational qualification after the payment. For new candidates, you should visit mat.aima.in and click on register button to register yourself for MAT. Fill the details to create login. You must have a valid email ID and mobile number for applying online to receive the OTP for email ID and mobile number verification. Press the register button. A verification link will be sent to your email ID and then click the verify tab to verify yourself. This tab shall take you to your dashboard for MAT. The confirmation message along with the account details for your reference will be sent on your email after verification. So in case if you are an existing candidate, the candidate can log into their account to complete the registration process. Already logged in candidate may visit mat.aima.in and log in by clicking the login button. Alternatively, you may click on the login tab in account details email you have received to visit the dashboard as and when required. And what are the steps to fill up the application form for the FEB MAT 2024? Test mode, and then you should upload your photograph and signature. Then you can choose your MI. You have to make the payment and you should enter your personal details, qualification and experience details, and if additional information in it, if any. Test mode. So you are allowed to select your test mode, either PBT, CBT or IBT in the step 1. And in the step 2, you should upload your photograph and signature in the prescribed format. As I said, you should upload your photograph in JPG or JPEG format, and the file size should not be less than 10 KB and more than 50 KB. So in case of signature, your file size should not be less than 5 KB and more than 20 KB, and the file format should be JPG or JPEG format. And you should choose your management institutes. Candidates opting for double test modes will have the benefit of selecting additional 2 MIs for sending their scores in addition to existing option of selecting 5 MIs. And then candidates need to pay INR 118 on selecting extra MI. And then you can make your payment with debit or credit card or net banking or wallet details. And in step 5, you should enter your personal particulars, qualifications and experiences. And in step 6, you can download your registration form. And you will have an additional option. If required, you can take 2 tests. Okay, so IBT plus CBT, PBT plus IBT, CBT plus PBT, CBT plus CBT, with an additional fee of rupees 1200. And then you can select extra MI by paying INR rupees 118. You can download your admit card as well, and these are the test slots available for the FEB MAT 2024. As for now, AIMA has given one date for PBT, one for CBT, and 3 dates for IBT. The first PBT test is on 25th Feb and the registration ends on 20th Feb. You can download your admit card from 22nd Feb. And the CBT exam is on 10th March, for which the registration ends on 5th March and you can download your admit card from 8th March. First IBT is on 24th Feb. The registration ends on 21st Feb and you can download your admit card from 22nd Feb. Third and second IBT is on 3rd March. Registration ends on 29th Feb and you can download your admit card from 1st March. And third IBT is on 8th March. Registration ends on 5th March. You can download your admit card from 6th March. And this is your exam pattern. So the exam consists of 5 sections: language comprehension, mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, intelligence and critical reasoning, Indian and global environment. From each sections, 40 questions they will ask, and in total you need to attend 200 questions in 2 hours 30 minutes. This is the exam pattern. And if you are looking for FEB and May MAT online crash course, you can enroll with Learn to Lead Academy for the best coaching. We have showed top results in MAT 2023 and our previous students are studying in the top-notch colleges all over India. The new batch for FEB MAT online crash course begins from Jan 1st. All the best students. We have also provided the registration for FEB MAT online crash course in the description box.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.